Now we have to create one more method for select. Get all students. Okay. So now we will fix up this code first. You will see something in action very soon. Now we are almost there. So insert we have already corrected it. At update we have to call this update method. Update student. Now it is expecting me ID. So what ID it is expecting me is, let's say, okay, okay, and dot, no, we'll say ID. Okay, we'll say ID like this, and dot value. Okay, and it will supply. Okay, so here we'll change the method. Update record updated successfully. Good. So that should give me record updated successfully. This I have to give just ID. This dot input form dot input form will say ID. Okay, we'll decide what ID it is later. Dot value. Okay, and we have given deleted successfully. Okay, yeah, nothing else. So delete, no need to give this option. Okay, in the update, okay, in the update we need to reset the update form. Good. Okay, so these all method have been created from my side. So this is what we have till now, our UI side, and we have written the delete code, insert update delete code, we have created the service, we have created the form, and let's see, and let's format the document immediately so it will look good. Yeah, so this is what we have, our code. Okay, now this is good, okay. Hmm, this is good, and even I'm just assuming that, okay, hmm, 3. So well, we can take all students as well here, all students. So we have just initialized all students. Okay, this will be of same type, and even selected students that will be needed. So we'll say selected students. Okay, and we'll use those. Good. And we'll hold the selected ID as well. So let's call it ID value, and equal to 0 will initialize. Okay, all right. And where this will be used is, this will be used over here in the delete statement, where we will pick up the ID and delete. So on delete, what we are having is, okay, let me go and check the HTML for the delete. So on, and this one is for save. Okay, Yeah, here in the delete we are having one input type and text box and form control. Form control is not needed at all now. Okay, this is class, and we'll say we are using ng model over here. So in the ng model we'll assign the value. Ng model, we'll say ng model, what value we'll assign is id value, which we have just declared now. So it will be having the id value over here. Now it will have the 0. Okay, so that's really cool, and we'll assign that particular value. Good. We'll have done till now this and created this. Let's go and check all the button and events. So let me go control F and say button type success. This one has been created and we are calling that my access. Okay, in this button get all record we don't have any method, and let's say what is the method name which we have given over here to get all the records? Get all students. So we'll call get all students over here. Get all students. Cool. Okay, again we copy this so that it can make it quicker. Button. Okay, and this one is what? Success. What success button? For whose success button? It is update. So first I will change the text as well. Update. Okay, and we'll paste it here. We'll call update method. Okay, good. And let's say info. We want to call info button. Okay, and then in the delete button we'll call delete method. Delete, and delete is already that. So now we are calling all the method. Cool. Good. Let's go and create the web API now. Now we came here in Visual Studio and we will create the new project. So we came here. Let's say ng7 CRUD API. Okay, cool. We'll go ahead. Yeah, it's creating the project. It will take some time because it's a Visual Studio and it's very good editor, but it takes time. Okay, so here you go. This hosting cloud is enabled for me. Okay, so which is good, and we'll say hit here. No, one mistake we did. Change authentication method. So we'll say okay, this one, and hosting cloud is fine. We'll say okay. Now I think we should go ahead and create it. So alright, it says I'm creating the API. Provide me this ng7 CRUD API by .NET Techy. Okay, cool. A7 CRUD is okay. Go. I will say I want this